Welcome. In this video, I will not be sharing with you another Facebook ads hack or another CBO strategy. What I'll be sharing with you in this video are actionable tips that you can utilize to be more profitable with Facebook ads in 2022. This will keep you consistently profitable on the ad platform no matter what happens in the coming years. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial video. Okay guys, so welcome back. Please do like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people looking for similar solution. And if this is your first time on my channel, you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to also hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish valuable and quality content every Thursday, and trust me, you do not want to miss any of my video content. Okay guys, so let's get started with today's video. Now, my first tip today is take research. Take market research, product research, customer research, or your audience research. Take them serious in 2022. Now, this first tip that I'm giving you will affect the remaining tips, the remaining 4 tips that I'll be sharing with you. This is where it all starts. And the thing is this, I'll be using e-commerce niche or industry as a case study, because I know most of the people that will be watching this video are into e-commerce. But I'm not saying you won't learn if you are into another type of business. So just follow this tutorial and relate it to your industry. But trust me, everybody will learn something from this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take out time to research about your market, to research about your product. One of the mistakes most people make is that they don't really do this research. They just jump into Facebook ads manager dashboard, start setting up their adverts and launch their adverts. But the thing is this, even if that worked, the truth is you won't have ideas, you won't know how you can scale your Facebook ads campaign, or even how you can stay profitable with that ad campaign. So audience research, market research is a crucial part of your winning on Facebook ads platform this coming year and even beyond, because this will help you make better offer to your audience. It will also help you to design a creative that will get their attention. It will also help you write better ad copy that speaks to who you want to sell to. And also this gives you idea of people that are interested, the kind of audience that are interested in your offer. So you want to ensure you do not joke with your audience research. Trust me, when you can do this, even your ad copy, your sales copy on your sales page, everything becomes very easy. Now the question you'll be asking is, okay, how do we do this? How do we do this research? Now the thing is this, I'll just walk you through briefly the way I do mine, so probably you learned something. So the first thing I would like to talk about here is this: there are tools that are already available to get this done, like this Sparktoro. I think I once did a short video on it. So if you do not have much time, you can just check it out. I think you have it is a freemium service. You can try it out for free and then upgrade if you want to. This is not some affiliate promotion or something. This is me just telling you, go check it out, Sparktoro. But if you're into e-commerce, I'll show you how I do my research. And listen, you can take a day, 2 days, 3 days, even a week to do this research, depending on the type of product you are working on. So this is what I do for people into e-commerce, in the e-commerce industry. This is what I do. I come to Amazon. That's one of the first places that I come to make research about what's it called, like this. Okay, let's use this lint remover as an example. Can you see all remover lint? So I'll come to Amazon. I would search for the keyword, the product keyword. Then I'll open as many links as possible. I'll read the description, I'll read the reviews, I'll also read the negative comments about the product, because this will help you address, you can, when you know the negative feedback on this product, you can address it in your marketing messages, and this will help you combat your audience or your potential customers' objections during closing the sales. So it is all of these things are very important and vital if you actually want to be profitable. You see, when you do all of these things, trust me, you don't necessarily need to start to keep on buying courses. But let's continue. So I'll come to Amazon. Amazon is like a library filled with products. So come here, research the product, read, just keep reading, and you can as well note down some things you need to note down. Sorry, you can as well note down some things you need to note down. Now, after doing that, I'll also go to Shopify. This is how I do it. You search for lint remover, then you add Shopify keyword. So this will show you stores on Shopify that are selling same product. And what do you do? Just open them in new tab. You will surely see something. Do you get it now? You surely see something that you can hold on to while crafting your offer. In fact, with this, you will know the best product to upsell, to cross-sell your customers, because you see and you will be aware of so many things about the product. Okay, so go to Amazon, go to Google, search lint remover plus Shopify. You can as well go to Facebook Ads Library. I might not be going there now. Go to Facebook Ads Library. I've done so many tutorials as regarding this particular topic, so just go check it out. Facebook Ads Library. I'll put so many links in the description of this video. Make sure you check the description of this video. I'll be putting so many relevant links pertaining to this video tutorial. Okay guys, so don't let me waste time with the first tip. Now, the second tip that you need to know and master to be more profitable in 2022 on Facebook Ads platform is crafting and making great offers. Crafting and making great offers. Now, offers is not, because most people misconceive this. When we say offer, they think of just giving out discount, promo, 50% discount and all of that. Now, that's not what offer really is. Offer is you presenting your product in such a way that your audience are interested in it, and not just interested, and they are ready to take action, like, okay, I'm buying this product like right now. That is what we call irresistible offer. You need to know how to do that. You need to know how to craft offers in 2022, because the offer you craft is what will determine how your Facebook ads campaign will perform and convert. This is very important. You need to learn how to craft offer, and the best way you can do this is understanding your audience. That was why I said the first tip I'll be sharing in this video will span across every other tips that I'll be sharing. So you want to make sure you have taken out time to do market and audience research. You want to make sure you understand your audience very well. This will really help you. You don't need to skip this step. It is very crucial and vital to how your campaigns will convert and to how profitable you will be. Okay, so you want to learn how to make good offers. That's number 2. Now, number 3 is creativity. See, creativity is a skill that you need to also master. Now, people will say, I'm not creative. Not everybody is creative. Now, let me tell you something. You see, your creativity will show in your ad copy, your creativity will show, most especially in your art creatives. One advertiser that I so much respect in this field of creativity is Penjun. If you see this guy's copy, if you see his creative, you will smile. It is always entertaining, educating, and it's just an embodiment of everything a creative should have. So trust me, you want to be very, very creative with your art creative, because you don't want to keep using the same creative that other advertisers are using. So probably you saw a product today. Yeah, you can use a video already available to test. Okay, let's see if this product is viable for us to sell and promote. That's fine. But when you want to actually launch the product and scale, you need to create your own custom creatives, and you need to be creative when doing it. So I've talked about creativity and all of that. I've talked about that in several videos. Just check my Facebook Ads Intermediate and Advanced Training playlist. You'll see so many videos as regarding this topic. So you need to be very, very creative in 2022. So many advertisers are coming. You want to make sure your creativity makes you stand out. Another thing is this: you see, your creativity will determine the longevity of your Facebook ads performance. Do you get it now? The way you are creative, the more you are creative, I would say the more you are creative, the more your ad performance will be. Now, here is the thing: you don't necessarily need to be a video creator, or editor, or a graphic designer, or any of that. But the thing is, when you understand your audience, you can outsource all of these services to experts or to freelancers out there. But when you're outsourcing it to them, you give them a guide of what you want. Even if they deliver rubbish to you, you already know, no, this is not what I want. I want something like this. This is what my audience will relate to. This is what will grab their attention. So all of these matter. Now, the fourth tip I would like to share with you is this: know how to analyze, interpret data that Facebook gives you. Now, here is the thing: when you start running your campaign, you start seeing some adverts performing well, some age group or age bracket doing fine than other age brackets, maybe gender, audience, ad set, or something. The thing is this: you don't want to run your ad campaigns blindly in 2022. You want to ensure that, okay, all of these campaigns that you are running, you understand the results you are getting. You want to understand Facebook ads metrics. Now, here is the thing: you don't need to know everything. You don't need to understand all of the metrics. Just pick out the metrics that matters to your own business, your own campaign, and understand all of these metrics. Understand them in reality. Yeah, understand them in reality, not just you seeing metrics. Okay, CTR is 6.5%, impression is 1000 impression, but you still don't understand what they mean. So you want to understand what all of these metrics mean in reality. These are the things that will guide you when you are optimizing your campaign. This is what will show you and tell you, okay, you need to work more on this, you need to leave this behind, you need to optimize this better. Do you get it now? Now, the last tip I will share with you, before I share the last tips with you, please do well to like this video so that YouTube can share it to more people. If you are really getting value, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, so, and the last tip I would like to share with you in today's video is, in 2022, make sure you are creating multiple ad variable variations for different persona. Now, here is the thing: you might be having a product You might be having a product that is useful for different set of individuals. You get it now? Okay, you have a product, a doctor can use it, an engineer can use it, an internet marketer can use. Okay, for example, let's assume you sell this posture corrector. So this way you might be talking to gamers. Gamers are always on their seat playing games. You might be talking to that same product is what traders will also be interested in. Traders like crypto traders, forex traders. You see, these are your market segments. These are audiences that will be interested in your product. So what you want to do as we enter 2022 is to create marketing messages for each of these market segments. You don't just want to use one advert creative, one ad copy for all of your marketing segments. So if you want to be more profitable in 2022, learn how to create multiple ad variables for different persona of your audience. So this is very, very vital. And one of the things you also need to do or know how to do is testing. I'll keep saying this. The difference between you and the next guru, the only difference when it comes to Facebook ads platform, the only difference is testing. Because when you know what to test, when you know how to test, when you know the sequence of testing, these 30 things, when you know these 30 things, trust me, Facebook ads won't be an issue for you, because you don't need to stress yourself. When you already know the things to test, come to the platform, launch your campaign, test everything and see. Just wait and see. Don't assume. Wait and see what works. You get it now? So these are tips that you want to take very, very serious. And one more thing is this: make sure you do not rely on one account in 2022. If your main source of traffic is Facebook ads, make sure you have multiple accounts in case something happens to your main account. So guys, I've also created a video where I talked about the Facebook ads trends to look out for in 2022. If you have not watched that video, make sure you go watch it like right now. Visit adelekesami.com/trends. I also put relevant links to all of the tutorials I think you should also watch that I've mentioned in this particular video. And lastly guys, I'll be hosting a lead generation expert on my channel. That is next week, Thursday, 6th of January 2022. We'll be discussing about email marketing money code. This is a webinar where you will discover the secrets you can use to generate quality massive leads for your business, no matter the business you are into: e-commerce, real estate, info marketing, affiliate marketing, just name it. No matter the type of business, you will learn how you can generate quality massive lead, and you also learn how you can nurture this lead, build relationship with them, and then convert them to repeated paying customer. So guys, trust me, you don't want to joke with lead generation in 2022. Personally, I'm taking lead generation very, very serious in 2022 as well. So if you want to learn, if you have questions, make sure you attend the YouTube live. And the best thing you can do right now is join my Telegram group. I'll put the link in the description, or just visit adelekesami.com/telegram. Join the Telegram group, channel, not group. On that channel, I communicate and send updates as regards the live, any other premium resources that I want to give you guys. Okay guys, so I want to believe you got value from this video. If you do got value, please do well to like, comment and share this video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.